Hey guys, what is up? It is Zach here, or Sell Your Game, and this is the 6th time I'm recording this video because nothing seems to work for me today. Let's see if it'll work now. I'm getting very good at this, as I've done it 5 times already, so now I know exactly what I'm doing. So, today I'll be showing you how to set up a craftbukkit server for Minecraft, and it's going to be difficult for me to do this video. See, one of the things is, after doing it 5 times already, like, I know exactly what I'm doing and what I need to say, but I also don't know what I've already said this video, or what I said in the last 5 times I've tried to record it. So if I repeat myself several times, it'll just because I don't know if I've already said something in this video or not. So, what you're going to want to do is download the craftbukkit.jar server file. A link to this will be in the description along with everything else I talk about in the video. Next, you want to create a new folder. This can be named whatever you want. It is where you'll run your folder out of. I will name it server, and it's very basic. So next, you want to drag your .jar file into that, and then it'll look like this. Next, you want to create a new text document. This is very simple. It does not matter what the name of this text document is. You're going to open it up. You're going to paste this in. This will be in the description for you to copy and paste. And then this next step is very important. You're going to hit File, Save As, run.bat, all lowercase, and you're going to click Save. You can close out your notepad, and you can delete the text document. Now you have run.bat. Now when you open this, it'll create your server. It'll give you a lot of errors because it does not have these files. It is creating them, but it believes that these files do not exist, so that's why it's creating them. Do not worry about that. Everything here is pretty straightforward, and it allows you to control your server. Server properties, it has the most control in it. You can control max number of players and whether PvP is on and everything like that. To change something like spawn monsters, if you wanted to turn monster spawn off, you turn true to false. Same thing for anything that's false, you can just change it to true. The only thing you should not touch is server port 25565. This is what allows you to port forward and allows other people to join your server. Port forwarding is not that difficult, but it is necessary for other people to join your server. Right now you will be able to join your server, but no one else will be able to. To join your server, you just put in your IP address as the server IP. And if you don't know what your IP address is, you can just Google what is my IP, and it'll show you there. So, and then the other thing you shouldn't touch is server IP. You do not have to put anything there. So then you can close that out, and this should be done. So when this is done, whenever you're closing your server, and never click the red X in the top right hand. You always type in stop, because this saves the server. If you close this, you can corrupt the files and lose what you've been working on. So now you close that. Now we have this file. All of these files. These are very straightforward, and you can figure them out yourself, or you can Google them, anything you need. Now, a problem many people run into is when they run the run.bat file for the first time, they get a Java is not a path or some type of error with Java, and it will not work. So what you want to do is go to Windows C, your C drive, Program Files 86, find Java, open JRE7. If you have JRE6 or lower, you should update to JRE7 to allow you to run your server better. So you want to click JRE7, click on bin, and then you want to just copy this whole top bar. So just copy that, like that, very simple. You can close that. Now what you want to do is go to your control panel. I have Windows 8, right hand side. Control panel. Next you want to click System and Security, System, and Advanced Systems on the left hand side. You want to click yes, and then at the bottom here it says environment variables. On that. In the system variables on the bottom part of your screen, you want to find path, which is right here, and you want to edit it. Now what you need to do, as you can see, I already have it done right here, is you need to add your program file path to Java, which is what we just copied. All you have to is add a semicolon after the last thing on the list, and then paste in your files, your java/jre7/bin, and click OK. Click OK again, and click OK. You can close out your control panel. You run your run.bat, so it should set up for you. Now every time you go to open your server, you just click your run.bat and it will open. So that is the simple to setting up your server. No one will be able to join your server except yourself with performing port forwarding, which is very simple. I will upload a video showing you how to do that tomorrow, I believe. I was planning on uploading it today. It doesn't look like I'll be able to get to that because it took 6 tries to make this video. So yeah, that was unfortunate. I'm frustrated about that, but you can just, there's many tutorials for port forwarding. It's very simple. You can just Google or YouTube it. And yeah, so, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to start posting videos talking about buckets and showing you how to use them, showing you what's important to put on your own server, and do them, and showing you how to use them. If there's any plugins you'd like to see me review or put tutorials up for, you can leave them down below. And that's about it. If you guys have any problems or questions, leave them down below in the comment section. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, guys. It's Zach or Sell Your Game, and I'm out. Peace.